Hey YouTube! Today I'm introducing our very first course, Introduction to Computer Science. I'm going to talk about how I built this course and how I think you can use this course to do better in your own Introduction to Computer Science classes. I'm Nick Rodriguez and you're watching Cram School Computer Science. Today, I'm introducing our Intro to Computer Science / Intro to Programming course that I've built for you guys. This course is designed as a companion to the Intro to CS course that's taught at most schools around the United States. Now, depending on what school you're at, this course can be called a couple different things. I've seen it called CS 100, CS 101, and CS 110. If you're at Harvard, they call this course CS 50, and at MIT, it's called Course 6. So basically, what I've done is I've gotten syllabi from this course from different schools around the country. And then I put those syllabi side by side and identified the topics that were common among all of the courses. Once I had that list of topics, I broke them down into short videos. And in these videos, what I'm going to do is give a deeper explanation of the topic and then provide some intuitive examples that should help you remember the topic better. So that's the format of these videos, but how should you actually use these videos to do better in your courses? Well, that's really up to you and how you think you learn best. For me personally, I like to review material before I have a lecture on it. So if I was using these in my Intro to CS course, what I would do is I would see what topics I'm going to be covering at my next lecture, and either the night before the lecture or on the way to the lecture, I'd watch these videos so that I can get kind of a preview of the topics that I'm going to cover. And then, when I show up to lecture, what my professor is saying is just reiterating stuff that I already know and reinforcing it in my mind. Another way that you could use these is to use them to review the material after the lecture. Maybe before you start the homework assignment for that lecture, you want to watch the videos that relate to that lecture so that you have an idea of what you're going to be working on in the homeworks. And finally, I think these will be a great tool when you're reviewing for things like your midterm and final exams, because they're short videos that cover most of the concepts of the course. And if you watch them, you should be able to get a decent amount of studying in with minimal effort. That means instead of reviewing your notes for a few hours, you can watch these videos and then get to the programming, because that's going to be the hardest part of this course. So I think a lot of people struggle in their Intro to CS classes, and there's a couple different reasons for that. If you've never programmed before or you're not used to using computers a lot, programming can be a really hard thing to pick up from scratch. There's a lot of information and it's a lot to learn all at once. Also, if you don't have the greatest instructor, it can be hard because some of these concepts are not at all intuitive and have to be explained in a way that makes sense to you. Otherwise, they're just never going to click. So hopefully, by using these videos, you'll realize that computer science isn't that hard and that you can actually crush that Intro to CS class. And hopefully these videos will inspire you to keep studying computer science, because the world needs more computer scientists. Now that's what I've got in mind for these videos, but I'm sure you guys are going to find all kinds of interesting ways to use these. Maybe you're not even taking Intro to CS and you just want to learn computer science on your own. If that's what you're doing, or if you're using these videos for any other thing besides what I just talked about, please do me a favor and reach out to me. By you reaching out to me and letting me know what you're using these videos for, that allows me to create future content that is geared towards more viewers than just college students. So that's it for today's introduction. Next time, we're going to get into the actual content of this course and start talking about programs and algorithms. If you like this video and you like the videos that I'm producing, you can do me a huge favor by subscribing to my channel so you can get notified when I create new courses and upload new content. Thank you so much and keep working hard.